Welcome to AMM's Guide to Cleaning Headlights with technician Javier Castillo. The very first thing you want to do is evaluate how bad the headlights are. Once that's done, you want to tape around the headlights to avoid any damage to the panel. We want to tape as close to the edge as possible. The second step is to take down all the yellow grime from the headlights with a 1000 grit sandpaper on a block. The lower the grit number, the more abrasive the sandpaper. Next, Javier uses a 2000 grit sandpaper on a DA to get rid of the scratches from the 1000 grit. Next, we move on to a 3000 grit. AMM likes to use a 5000 grit to make the polishing process even easier. This creates a smooth transition from removing dirt from the headlights to making them shiny and brand new. Now that the headlights are sanded, Javier continues the polishing process by spreading the coarse white compound with a wool pad. Next, he uses a medium coarse gray compound to cut down on the swirls from the previous step. The last step in restoring headlights is an ultrafine blue compound. AMM recommends spreading this all around and going a little slower for the final polish. And that's it, folks. Thanks for watching.